Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Facebook where you normally do, on desktop or the app. Once logged in, go straight to Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. This keeps you in control. Next, open Security and Login because that section houses login alerts and two-factor controls. You do this now to avoid digging later. It shows active sessions and notification preferences. Once you see that list, make sure to proceed to the exact alerts area to edit notification options. You'll now locate the Get Alerts About Unrecognized Login setting and tap Edit. This is the main control. Once done, choose which channels currently receive alerts, email, SMS, or Facebook notifications, and uncheck any you do not want. Make deliberate choices. Keep one secure channel if you rely on alerts for safety, otherwise turn them all off. After selecting, save changes so Facebook updates immediately. If you're on the app, permissions prompts may appear. Allow or deny as suited to your privacy needs. Finish by saving your settings and then verify they applied. Check active sessions and the notification settings again to confirm no channels remain enabled. If you still receive alerts, log out and back in or clear the app/browser cache. That forces settings to refresh. Make sure you didn't disable security features you need. Consider keeping two-factor authentication enabled so you stay protected even without login alerts. If problems persist, check for multiple accounts or repeated email aliases that might be receiving the notices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.